The curls look like. This is a water wave, 24 inches. This is how far she goes. I am gonna just put my rat tail comb underneath to show you guys that this wig is fully glueless.
Shawty get thrown off of my bed. Shawty get thrown off of the head. Shawty get thrown off of the head.
Hey YouTube, it is your girl Kiana Marie and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, then welcome. If you are not new here, then welcome back. Today we have a water wave wig. I've been loving the curly wigs lately for the summer. I feel like all the companies are flocking towards getting those curly wigs in, and today we have one from Julia Hair. They sent me some nice goodies as well as a detangling brush for the wig. Thank you so much because I actually needed a new one. And today we just have those standard goodies such as some press-ons. These ones were really cute. They're up in their game. And we had 2 edge bands and of course the HD wig caps. This wig is a 7x5 by knot 24-inch water wave wig. The wig is super airy and light and the curls are so defined. Of course we do have that grip elastic band. This is gonna help us keep the wig glueless as well as just make sure it's secure fully on our head. I really do like the curls on this wig. If you guys saw my beginning intro, the curls are popping and the wig is super flowy and light, so it won't weigh on you very much, and it just looks it just gives a very natural look. And here I have those sticky tabs that you can use to secure the wig if you want. They're definitely optional, but the sticky tabs are FDA approved and they can go on your skin. They're sweat resistant and water resistant, and it's very easy to take off and replace. Now this wig comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked, as you guys can see. The hairline is already customized and perfect for us. I like the curls fresh out the box, but once I really define the curls, you guys are going to see just how amazing this wig is. To go with the natural look of this wig, today I decided to do no eyelashes, and here I'm just putting on this wig cap that, I don't know, I've just liked using it lately. It kind of helps to make it easier for me with my glueless wigs. I kept it at a very natural look today. I have freshly washed my hair. As you guys can see, my braids are super duper neat because I was excited to get this wig on my head and just ready to go. Now, the actual putting on the wig did not take a lot of effort. The only thing that you guys know I usually do is I put on that lace tint. The lace tint is really what's going to help you match this to your skin. Right here you can see that the lace is pretty good, but we are going to match it to our skin some more with that lace tint. And I'm putting in the grip elastic band, just tightening it. You want to make sure it's tight but not too tight. If it's too tight, the wig is going to fly off your head. It has to be just the right amount of secure, so that way you know the wig isn't sliding back, but it's also not hurting you and it's still super comfortable in the wig. So I kind of just slide it in whichever one I feel comfortable with. And then I take some of my Kiss Colors and Care lace tint in the shade medium dark brown, sprayed that all over. It was done in 5 seconds. And now for the fun part. To put the wig on, I do the exact same thing every time. I just put that band at the back and then pull the rest of the wig over. Now, I feel like I did it a little bit too tight, but I was able to drag it towards the front, so I wasn't really stressing it. I just had to make sure I fixed up the back. And as I pull it to the front, you already see the naturalness. Only thing I really have to do is just shape the hairline with a hot comb, of course. And right here, I'm just making sure that there's no hairs that got stuck under the lace when I was doing this. And I'm also putting some more lace tint at the front just because I noticed I didn't really get the edges and I don't want it to have a white cast. I want this to blend very seamlessly because, as I said, this wig is fully glueless and we are not using anything to adhere the front of the lace. So you want to make sure it lays naturally and that it just goes smoothly into your skin as a transition. I'm taking my wax stick and I'm just using that to shape the hair with the hot comb. I'm honestly doing a middle part, but later in the video I will do a side part. I just wanted to show you guys pretty much the standards way of wearing this hair and how far that parting space goes back. I have a full 5 inches of parting space going back. So that is literally at the middle of my head, which is what makes this wig look so natural. You get the frontal effect, you get the full parting space, but you don't have to deal with all of that lace, nor do you have to adhere it to your head. So it is perfect for those who want a nice complete look, but just want to get up and go. I need a little bit of that spice. You know I'm finna go all right. Yeah, shawty get gold off of my high. Yeah, shawty get gold off of my bed. Shawty give me gold off of that red. Shawty give me gold off my eye. I'm whipping up Popeyes. Give me at my house. I'm so ready. I'm so in a benzo. Jumping pop smoke. Got a Spanish bitch for me like a poncho. I'm with a rich hoe. With a hippo. I done had a good day in the 6-4. Completely undefined. I can't lie, this wig is eating, but we are gonna define those curls. I just had to show you guys the dry look. I feel like this is such a natural and cute wig. Like, it's just so light. I wish you guys could feel how light it feels. It feels like I don't even have anything on my head fully. It's just really, really light. And here I was looking around for my mousse trying to find out where it was because I keep misplacing my products. I don't know why, but I am just going to take a spray bottle and some of my B&B Whole Lotta Body coconut foam mousse. And that is the only thing we did to define the hair.
I'm so ready, I'm so in a benzo, jumping past smoke. Got a Spanish bitch for me like a poncho. I'm with a rich hoe, with a hip hoe. I done had a good day in the 6-4. Gotta feel the love, oh I got it going up. Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off of that head. Shawty get thrown off in that red. Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off in that red. Shawty get thrown off on that bed. Shawty get, no I'm feeling right. I need a little bit of that spice. You know I'm finna go all night. Yeah, you know. Shawty get thrown off in my high. Yeah, shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get me thrown off in that red. Shawty get me thrown off. I'm whipping up Popeyes. Meet me at my house. I'm so ready, I'm so in a benzo, jumping past smoke. Got a Spanish bitch for me like a poncho. I'm with a rich hoe, with a hip hoe. I done had a good day in the 6-4. I feel the love, oh I got it going up. Think about it, think about it, think about it, going up. Shawty get thrown off in that red. Shawty get
So this is what our unit is looking like after it has been fully defined. I'm just gonna run my fingers through the hair so you guys can see how light and airy it is. This wig does have a little bit less density than the others just because it is summer and the companies want to make sure that you have a very breathable wig and you don't feel like it's too heavy for you. The wig is very light so you won't feel like you're drowning in hair, but you'll still have that look that you want and you'll kind of have the illusion of like one of those very, very thick wigs because of the volume that this wig has without all of that, you know, extra hair weighing down on you, because I know that the heat can be too much sometimes. And then this is what the curls look like. This is a water wave, 24 inches. This is how far she goes, full all the way down. These curls are gorgeous. As I'm running my fingers through, I'm not getting any shedding, nothing like that. We are good to go. I actually didn't have to use a lot of product for them to curl up. I just used my spray bottle and my B&B Whole Lotta Body coconut foam mousse, and that was all it took. I also did hot comb the hair just to shape it. You guys see that my parting space goes back 5 inches all the way back to the middle of the wig. Amazing parting space. This company did a good job with the construction. This is what the perimeter of the wig looks like. I am gonna just put my rat tail comb underneath to show you guys that this wig is fully glueless. And look at how gorgeous these curls are. And we are also going to be trying a side part today. I wanted to do this part just like talking to you guys, just to kind of really show how versatile this wig is. So I'm going to go ahead and just part that part out with my comb. I'm doing something very simple. I am going to hot comb it to get it flatter, but for right now we are just going in on our own. And the parting space is huge, so you can literally just part away and not have to worry about a whole bunch of stuff. And this is what our side part is looking like. As you guys could see, it really didn't take a whole bunch of effort to just change the parting. We still have a great amount of parting space at the front and at the back, and the hair is still super duper defined, still looks full. Everything is fine. I know my part isn't perfect, but this is just a quick demonstration of all the stuff you can do with this wig. And like I said, the curls on this wig are super duper gorgeous, and it's very airy, so it's not gonna weigh heavy on you. This is perfect for my girls who want a curly wig but don't want the weight of the hair to make them hotter during the summer, because I know that having long hair over the summer can be a little bit tedious at times. Although the grip elastic band, as shown in the beginning, does give a lot and a whole lot of security, if you want extra security, you can use those sticky tabs that were in the beginning as well, just at the sides. The sticky tabs are FDA approved and they're reusable and washable, so you really can reuse them until they get worn down and just replace them. Very easy to replace them. And yeah, look at how cute this wig is. I decided to do more of a natural makeup for this video because I wanted this to really give summer. This looks like I just got fresh out of the water, or I just got done swimming, and I really like the look of this hair. I think this wig will be I think this wig is perfect for a vacation if you're looking for something that is flowy and just won't really bother you while you're trying to get your stuff done. This is definitely the wig for you. Once again, this is a 7x5 bye-bye knot unit from Julia Hair. It comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut, so you don't have to do anything except just put the wig on. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out Julia Hair if you love it, and have a